Now we're in the Hatton. And it's bumpy as dick here. And you know how bumpy penises are. Especially unkept ones. A weird topic, I know. Not many have the gut to discuss it. Ladies and gentlemen, hello. Welcome. It's another vlog, as you may have deducted from the layout of this video and from the, the introduction and everything. You know how it is. I don't think it was much of a surprise as to what this video is. What is a surprise is the time, the day, and the mission. For the first time ever, I'm riding on this Wednesday morning, October 23rd or whatever, who knows. And it's 12 o'clock noon. 12 o'clock noon. Oh my god. The bitcoins are doing terrible, by the way. I don't know if you guys care about bitcoins or anything, but holy shit, they're in a slump. My phone just reminded me I gotta turn off the freaking notifications. It's like, you just lost a couple more dollars. Congrats. It's my own fault for fucking having bitcoins. But long story short, I'm going on a little errand to Manhattan, New York City. You know what I mean? And part of me wanted to go on foot just so I can walk about and, look at the sights, because I haven't done that in a minute. Once in a while I like to just go for a walk, and because that way you can actually see the businesses, all the new businesses, all the new spots, new fun places. You can people watch and blah 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 blah. Walking around has a lot of advantages, and I actually really enjoy it. But it's also a gorgeous, beautiful day. It's like 60 degrees, maybe more. So I decided to just hop on the old bike and just pop out like this, go for a little old ride, because I don't go to Manhattan that often on the old bicycle with motor that often. Am I repeating myself? Probably. I had 2 cups of coffee back to back just now. I had to do some work. I banged out like 5 hours worth of work in 3, because I'm the man. And yeah, now I'm gonna pop out to Manhattan, trying to decide if I'm just gonna do like the nice and easy, or if I'm gonna actually adventure. I'm gonna taste the status of the traffic, and once I've tasted the sugars, I'll be able to deduct the decision as to how I'm gonna proceed on these fucking streets. Okay, not exactly sure what you're doing, but I'm gonna get through. Sons of bitches. These folks here are out of control. Come on, bro. It's green light. Please don't make us miss it, you son of a potato. This blinked out Accord is moving very delicately, gingerly. Here we go. Around the big kahuna there. Here you don't want to speed too much, because I think there's some speed cameras. Maybe not. Overall, you just don't want to speed that much in the city anymore. There's speed cameras everywhere, and I'm telling you, like, you don't even have to go that fast. I've had like half a dozen tickets for like stupid shit, for literally just going like 10 over. These people don't have their turn signal, so I'm not sure if they're turning or not, but I am. Anyway, so yeah, I try to keep it in my pants. On the BQE and whatever, like sometimes you can open it up, but on the city streets, try to keep it reasonable. Plus I've had my run-in with the law, that infamous incident that I've mentioned, the old 93 and 25, 68 over. Yeah, I don't need to repeat that. The bike is feeling good though. I'm ready to rip. I'm ready to freaking move. I'm sick of this. That's the problem with riding the city. It's like you're constantly stopping. That's why I like going out of town. A lot of people that's why I like posting videos from out of town. As much as I love Manhattan, I'm just too fucking crazy for Manhattan, you know what I mean? Too crazy. Because I get too anxious and too crazy on them streets. No patience. Even just now, you know, like this little squeeze here. Not necessary, but oh so satisfying. Let's see how much gas we got. Plenty. We can go to frickin' 100 miles out right now. Plenty of gas. What time we got? 12:05. Perfect noon. Let's see what the traffic in Manhattan holds for a noon. Oh man, today is a weird day. Yesterday I made a vlog about feeling anxious, and today it's not too much better. It's kind of like I'm still freaking out a little bit for no fucking reason. You know what I mean? You see, I usually gun it much harder, but nah. Today I was editing a video for my for the test ride for the A21. Oh, that bike is glorious, but it's funny because I'm never in a high rev range. I'm like shifting it halfway through. Kind of funny because I'm not used to so much power. I'm actually really curious as to why the bridge is wide open, but I'm not complaining. This is super nice, except for this jerk who's going down the middle of the fucking bridge for some reason. Amateur moves. Look at this ass. It's alright, I'll stay behind him. Look at New York City here. It's glorious. Beautiful. Such a nice thing. FDR seems to be moving barely slow, so I'm definitely taking the streets, but that was the plan all along anyway. We don't take the freaking highway. Yeah, this truck is amateur driver, you know what I mean? Amateur driver. And there seems to be a pawpaw up ahead, so I think we'll hang back on the splitting, you know what I mean? Yeah, fucking amateur. Could tell that guy doesn't know how to fucking drive. Go. Made the light. Yeah, there's the pawpaw right there. Chilling. When the light changes, I'm just gonna pop over there and make it happen. What's going on, man? Got a big boy Harley. Well, Goldwing actually. See, the pole is right there. The motherfucking right. They're right about the pole, but I'm gonna take a right over there because I can't be stuck here. So now we're in Manhattan. Look at all these new buildings. Look at all this stuff. Taco Mix. Ooh, look at all these businesses. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Work with me here. Are you turning? Not gonna turn. Change my mind. Mid-maneuver. I'm no better than the folks I make fun about. Oh, I should have went that way. Fuck. I fucked up. Alright, that's what we're gonna do. We'll explore. We'll take a little right on a little street, you know. I don't think I've ever been on this street on my motorcycle, but who knows, maybe. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. But we'll go along it, you know. We'll see what's on this block. Maybe we'll find something beautiful, something glorious. Is this lady gonna stop us from fucking making a right? Is that what's really going to happen? It's possible. Damn, these kids are just gonna keep on going forever. Alright, fuck them. Fuck these kids. I'm gonna go to right here, where there is no kids, where there's just people. Alright. Not exactly sure what this guy's doing, so we gotta jump this, go around. Pretty sure it's our right of way. Speed bump. Can we make this light? Yes. We did it. 3rd or 2nd Avenue? We're gonna go on 3rd. You know why? Because that's gonna dump us out exactly where we need to be, which is actually not true at all. I'm just I'm like a leaf in the wind, frolicking about, happy and free. I don't know where I'm going, you know what I mean? But I definitely know that these people are keeping distances. Like, what the fuck is happening here? Oh brother, where art thou? I knew this was gonna be, whatever. I knew this was gonna be a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Here we go. We are right. We fucking did it. And this jerk off here is about to be in the fucking way. Look. Why would you not pull up, you fuck? You fuck. Alright, now we're in the Hatton. And this Bumpy as dick here. And you know how bumpy penises are. Especially unkept ones. A weird topic, I know. Not many have the gut to discuss it. This person here is from New Jersey. So that explains their movement. That explains their movement. Downshift, rev match, blah blah. Come on, electric boy. Let's see what we got here. You're not going? That's a cop. That's 100% a cop. So we'll just take it easy here. Damn. It happens. See, that's the kind of cop that will screw up your whole day. That right there. The undercover explorer with those little lights. Ah, that is 100% trouble the bubble. That thing lights up, the whole back lights up. And then next thing you know, you're getting prodded. You're getting prodded for violence. See, more po-po. It's like a po-po essential here. I really could just pop about, pop around. Should I go to 1st Avenue? No, not quiet. It's alright. These people will turn off soon. This is their nest. Sweet bananas. This turned into a terrible, terrible situation. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass everybody. I can't be stuck here. Not like this. Not now. Not this way. You see it? Police interceptor. It most certainly is. It most certainly is. I was right. I was totally correct. Anyway, I was gonna make some crazy savage moves, but perhaps it's not in the cards. But we can still enjoy Manhattan, right? We can still enjoy the old island. But there sure is lots of po everywhere around here. Look at this thing. How many lights it's got? 6, 12, 16, 18 lights just on the back. Holy shit. That's a lot of lights. It's a lot of lights. Some Halloween situations. People wearing shorts. Yeah, this police interceptor sucks major monkey's balls. I hate him. We're gonna have to go to the right here and squeeze by. I think I'm gonna go on 21st. Come on, baby. Now I'm passing him. What's going on? What the fuck? I hope there's no more. Few little baby moves. Few little baby moves here and there. We're almost at our destination, so that's fine. Hopefully I didn't upset any of the fucking motorcycle or police gods. Hopefully we're okay. So yeah, look at this place. It's kind of cheesy. Tonic. Looks like a club with the rooftop. We'll see if I can find a parking spot. And then I gotta go to the bank, gotta take care of some shit. Because this is the fun part, the ride. And now I have to deal with the reason as to why I rode to this goddamn place in the first place. You know what I mean? That's how life works. It's the journey, not the destination. The journey is the fun. Oh look, Empire State Building. Who knew? There it is. There's a Chrysler building, and that big gray building, that's where I'm going. Big building right in front of us there, to the right. Yeah, that's what I'm going. All these folks are confused as to how to pull off the maneuvers they want. Here we are on the motorcycle. We win. All right, let's see if the parking will be as easy as a cucumber, or if we're gonna have to dance about. Let's see. Usually I park right over here, and it's not a big potato. Is that a spot? No, that's not a spot. Is that a spot? Nope, that's not a spot either. This is kind of a spot. I can park right here. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead, bros. Go ahead, bros. Let me freaking pull out. One more time. Ugh. And there we are. We made it. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.